Do you have any silver bullets?
Just keep trying. I think so something that I've tried to do myself is that, I tried building technology within an engineering company. But the challenge was that it only really benefited the project, and there was no incentive or finance to try and distribute that tool around the company. It's not to say that people aren't trying, but it's just that's the challenge that you get. Working at venture capital backed companies, for example. I mean, Flux had some great technology, but that wasn't going to be the return on investment, and so we had to go and do something different, and maybe an incarnation of Flux that had more modest ambitions, maybe very successful. When I worked at Outer Labs, which actually founded by some of the people from Flux, the main business model at the time was professional services. And so we were building some really fantastic software for specific clients. And it was great because you didn't have to worry about adoption, and you could really tailor it to that specific problem. You had so much access to the end users. But then again, the downside is that client benefits, but the industry as a broader whole does not benefit. And so, I think just keep trying different angles of attack. But I do think that the biggest challenge for us is in construction technology, it's not the technology. There's 20 years of technological innovation just sitting there ready to be applied, let alone looking at generative AI. It's the business model. It's how do you sell this into an industry where projects can take 20 years to deliver? How do you sell this into an industry where, is the project buying this, or are the companies buying this, or is the client buying this? And it's just such a complex kind of ecosystem of decision makers. And back to building radar, right? It's sales for construction, right? I'm not looking at drawings and BIM models anymore, but I'm realizing that actually this is a really interesting way to look at the industry, how decisions get made. And so I'm just gonna keep trying from different angles till hopefully I'm on the team that kind of cracks the nut.